Don't miss your chance to grab a Brother Luminaire at the lowest price ever before they're gone. I'm Calvin with Montavilla Sewing Centers, and with the new Avenir launching this winter, now is the perfect opportunity to take advantage of our closeout pricing on the Luminaire 3. We also have a special trade-in offer if you're interested at the end of the video towards the new Avenir. I'll go over that later. The Brother Luminaire has been one of the top-selling, highest-rated machines for the last 6 years. It's packed with top-of-the-line features and an incredible array of built-in stitches, including Disney embroidery designs. Let's take a closer look at some of the standout features that make the Luminaire an amazing machine. Stitch Vision Projection lets you preview your stitches and embroidery designs directly on your fabric with a 3" by 5" projection area. This means you can easily line up your designs with absolute precision, ensuring perfect placement every time. The Moveit dual feed system allows you to handle any fabric with ease. Whether you're machine quilting or heavy denim, using a belt to maintain constant contact with the fabric, it ensures smooth, even feeding, making it ideal for all your challenging materials. The Luminaire also includes a massive built-in library with hundreds of stitches and embroidery designs, including Disney favorites. Their expansive library gives you endless creative possibilities, whether you're adding special touches to clothing or making one-of-a-kind gifts. My Design Center is a built-in embroidery editing software that allows you to create and customize your own designs directly onto the machine. No extra tools or computers are needed. Everything is right at your fingertips, making the design process simple and intuitive. On top of all these amazing features, the Luminaire also comes with a bundle valued at over $1,000. This includes a machine trolley, BES Blue lettering software, and a full set of Disney embroidery thread. And it gets even better. When the new Avenir launches and they're ready for shipment in the winter, you will have the option to trade in your Luminaire 3 for every penny you paid for it towards the new machine. Enjoy the new Luminaire now and upgrade later. But act fast, as we only have a few of these Luminaires left, and once they're gone, they're gone. This is the final chance to own one at this incredible closeout price from Montavilla Sewing. Come in or call one of our 4 locations for details and secure your Brother Luminaire.